Hey, want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
I'm a queer, gender fluid, disabled sex worker. I'm a punk that loves to fuck and loves
Guys! Fellas, you think we could...
But there is a lot of pressure to identify as she